Everyday goods and materials arrive from suppliers all over the world. Goods and products that local companies need to produce and sell products of their own. For the payment of goods delivered, both buyer and the supplier have agreed on a payment term. Recently, companies are increasingly extending these terms, resulting in suppliers running into cash flow problems. The extended payment terms increases suppliers' need for working capital financing, which, especially in these times of liquidity scarcity, can be next to impossible. This may cause damage to the relationship with your supplier and may also cripple the entire supply chain. Rabobank's Cooperative Foundation has brought us to a solution in which collaboration is key. A solution where all parties can benefit. Rabo Supplier Finance. Let's take a look at an example where a tea factory supplies a major European retailer. Both parties have agreed on a payment term of 90 days. To bridge that term in the current financial climate, where receiving credit is difficult, the tea factory finances itself at a significant cost of 8%. This means an order of €1 million will cost the tea producer €20,000. The supplier finance program maintains the buyer's payment term of 90 days, but also enables the supplier to get paid immediately by the bank. For this early payment, the bank applies a modest discount, which is based on the credit rating of the stronger European retailer, say 3%, reducing the supplier's costs of financing for more than 50%. This creates room for the buyer to further extend the payment term and thus improving its working capital, while still offering the supplier a cheap source of financing and immediate payment, resulting in a stronger supply chain. Next to financial benefit, Rabo's Supplier Finance offers a fully automated web platform with no manual document handling, which can be directly connected to the ERP system of the buyer, reducing the administrative burden usually needed in international trade. This gives full transparency to all parties involved on invoice and payment status. It also helps the supplier in its cash flow planning, as it is the supplier who can determine what invoice will be paid at which moment. Your business does not stop at the border, neither do our efforts to improve it. Rabo Bank, a bank with ideas.